That was awesome. That was the best
Facebook that video.
I will. Hi. There's a pigeon there. No, it's a sparrow. Are we done? Shaving? Yes. You have to show it to Jessica. Okay.
Do we want to go this way?
Yeah, but battery's dying. Okay.
Check out that railing.
Where?
The railing over here.
Do you guys want to go down that way?
Yeah.
Alright guys, I'm gonna say,
What time do we have?
everybody say bye.
Bye.